using to want and to need with other verbs in Gujarati. We have seen independent use of to want in this lesson. If we want to use the verb want along with other verbs to indicate desire for some activity, we will say, I want to watch this movie. She wanted to eat burger. She wants to visit doctor. In Gujarati, for such sentences, structure is form of subject with preposition to. For first and second persons, different forms are used, which were discussed below. Then the object, then main verb plus form of wo as per gender and multiplicity of object, and then form of hovu as per object and tense. This may look quite complicated, but once you listen the examples, it will be very easy for you. For first and second persons, different forms are used, which are already discussed in previous lesson for using verb to want. So please visit them once before going further. Form of wo will be for masculine singular wo, feminine singular as well as plural we, neuter singular wo, masculine plural va, and neutral plural wa. So these forms follow O E U A E A pattern which is discussed in this lesson. So with all this information, let's move to examples. I want to eat mango. Mare keri khavi che. Here door of action is I. So its form is mare. Object is mango, which is keri in Gujarati. And as keri in Gujarati is feminine singular, so we use suffix v. So mare keri khavi che. I want to eat mangoes. Mare kerio khavi che. You plural want to eat a fruit. તમારે ફળ ખાવું છે. For you plural form is તમારે. Fruit is the object which is ફળ in Gujarati, and as it is neuter singular we use vu. So it becomes ખાવું છે. You plural want to eat fruits. તમારે ફળો ખાવા છે. He wanted to see a picture. એને ચિત્ર જોવું છે. He wanted to see a picture. એને ચિત્ર જોવું હતું. You wanted to say a story. તારે કથા કહેવી હતી. If object is unknown, then we will use vu, which is neuter singular prefix. What do you want to eat? તારે શું ખાવું છે? What do you want to do? તારે શું કરવું છે? For akarmak verb, that is the verb that does not require noun, form will always be vu. So I want to run. મારે દોડવું છે. We want to laugh. અમારે હસવું છે. Or આપણે હસવું છે. Similarly, negative sentences will be formed using previously seen rules for negative sentence in different tenses. I do not want to eat mango. મારે કેરી નથી ખાવી. He does not want to see a picture. એને ચિત્ર નથી જોવું. He did not want to see a picture. એને ચિત્ર જોવું નહોતું. You did not want to say a story. તારે કથા કહેવી નહોતી. Thank you.